The thing that shocked me throughout yesterday's session and overnight is the strength of alts. I honestly didn't expect it, or didn't expect it this soon. Instead of having Bitcoin lead for a few days, maybe weeks even, and then alts catching up, it seems that a flurry of investors were waiting with capital ready, either in Bitcoin profit or just stablecoin, and poured into alts. So for any diversified crypto investor, you're probably richer today than you were the day before when Bitcoin was actually breaching new highs. Amongst top performers, we've seen Solana, VeChain, privacy coins like Zcash and Monero, also Chainlink, gain while Bitcoin corrected somewhat. Actually, on the session, Bitcoin is down 5% back to 62,700. Now, from a technical analysis perspective, it's interesting to see prices bounce off the top of a rising channel, suggesting that we might see several days or weeks of slight pullback in the lower 60Ks and upper 50Ks before a continuation upwards. Now, that scenario would be great for alts, by the way, that would then have an extended catch-up period. The data I'm looking at right now is the open interest on the CME for Bitcoin and for Ethereum futures contracts, both reaching new all-time highs. So the message is clear, right? The space has become big enough that large institutions are ramping up plays on the assets, digital assets. It's worth remembering though, futures exposure isn't necessarily positive or negative for price. Depending on the direction and hedging, it might be bearish, bullish, or truly neutral, but it's the engagement that I think we need to highlight. This is also naturally related to the second ETF, Bitcoin ETF from Valkyrie, this time focused on Bitcoin futures, and which is just another way for a wide range of new investors to get exposure to Bitcoin. The ticker is BTF. Apparently now the CIO of PIMCO is saying the firm is putting capital to work in cryptocurrencies, and this on its own is massive. On the less trading side, Walmart has apparently begun to quietly host more and more Bitcoin ATMs at several of its locations. So link that with reports earlier this year of hiring crypto experts, and I think we might be setting ourselves up for some big news in the next 6 months or year. By the way, did you hear about Playboy launching a new NFT project called Rabbitar? Now, to manage expectations, those are just digital rabbits wearing different outfits, but interesting to see. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe, share, comment. It helps with the visibility. Also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.